just farted. You might have picked that up as well. Hi, my name is Grian, and I'm a YouTuber from the UK, and I'm a proud cat owner. Oh, they're so clever! Hello! Well, that kind of sums those two up in a nutshell. He doesn't care, he loves to have his little sniff, and she is scared. So this is Maui, and he's the troublemaker. He's a troublemaker. He's got more personality than I will ever have. And he's also the snuggliest little cat in the whole wide world. My other cat is Pearl, and she's a silver Mau, and she's about half the size of Maui. And she's a bit more elegant, she's a bit more pristine, unless you've got a toy. In which case, she's gonna go for it, and she won't give up. And you'll be playing tug of war with her until she's won. She won't give up, and you'll be scared, because she's only a little cat, and she will keep going until you give in. I've never seen her give up a fight. And then she'll run away with it, scuttle away, hide in a corner, and you'll never see that toy again. It's gone. Right, this is where I do my video making in here. This is my office, so come on in. This is my seat, my screens, but I've got these acoustic panels, and this one absolutely loves to climb up them. Now, obviously, I don't think she's going to do it on her own, so maybe if we just coax her on, maybe she'll have a go. Oh, there we go. Do you want to have a go up? Yeah! Look at her go! Oh, you're not normally allowed up there, are you? And that's the thing, I don't think she knows how to get down, because every single time she's gone up, I've gone and pulled her down again. She does this, and then Maui usually gets really upset that she's having fun without him, and he'll jump on, but he's way too heavy and they all just fall over. I would say that both of them definitely have separate personalities, completely. Maui is a little snuggly giant, because he is massive. He weighs 5.2 kilos. I took him into the vet when he was a little kitten, and the first thing he's got little radar dishes on his head, and the first thing the vet said was, he's going to be a big boy. And I was like, what does that mean? Is he going to be is he going to be panther size? Like, how big does it get? And then I took Pearl in, and he was like, those little diddy ones. So I think I've got both ends of the spectrums. If you turn any tap on in the house and just sort of go, Maui will be straight in the sink, no matter how much water there is. If I'm in the bath, he just sort of puts his hand in, gets in the bath. They've got so many little things, and possibly my favourite thing, and I don't know if we're going to be able to capture this, because it is a rarity, and we always get really excited when he does this. But if he smells something new, and it's a bit of an odd smell, he'll go. And you don't normally see a cat smile, and it's just so bizarre. I love it. I've never seen any other cat do it, but I really hope we can capture that, because I just look like a fool now if he doesn't. If I can't prove that now, I just look an idiot. I have taught my cats, well, I've taught Maui, as you can see, to give paw, which is obviously a dog trick. But if I show him this, it's just a dreamies. Give us a paw. He's just a bit overzealous, that's all. Look, you see what Maui's like? He'll chomp my fingers off. Pearl, you just, aw, look at that. That's what you need to do, Maui. Just a little gentle push. I haven't even started on some of the quirks that they've got. Like, for a start, Maui has this little toy with the mouse in the end. It's got a string, and he'll pull it down, and he'll just lick the string. He'll just lick the string. I assume he's cleaning his tongue, but I don't think he knows that. That's the thing. I think he's doing it out of instinct, but I don't think, it's just weird. Why did he start doing that? Is this a toy that you're meant to bat around? Why are you licking it? But he doesn't lick anything else apart from his own bum. He doesn't put up with it for long. Yeah, speaking of bums, he poos standing up. Now, I know you're not really supposed to look at cats when they're going litter. Like, to be fair, when I'm on the toilet, they come in, they don't care. But if they're going to the litter box, right, if they're doing little kitty number 2, Pearl does the normal thing, sort of squat and, it's very prim and proper. Maui stands up. He stands up and sort of looks a bit like a human. And he did that since he was a kitten. No one taught him that. I didn't teach him that. But the day I got him, he pooped standing up.
Now, just to clarify, when he said he looks a bit like a human, do you poop standing up?
That's a good point, actually, because I don't. But I meant, yeah, that's a really good point. I don't think anything poops standing up.